Okay, so today we're going to look at finding the surface area for a rectangular prism. And a rectangular prism is just a box, like the box that I have here. It has 6 sides, and all the sides have to be rectangles. So I have a box, and the length of my box is 10 centimeters, and the width of my box is 10 centimeters, and the height of my box is 18 centimeters. So I cut the top off my box and the bottom off my box and unrolled it to give me this long rectangle down here at the bottom. So as you can see, that would make this section here 10 centimeters. This section would be 10 centimeters. This section would be 10 centimeters. This section would be 10 centimeters. And then this distance here would be 8 centimeters. So if I want to find the area of this big rectangle here at the bottom, I would just need to add these 4 10s together to give 40 centimeters. And then I can just do length times width, because that's how you find the area of a rectangle. So I just multiply, placeholder, add, because it is centimeters and its area would be centimeters squared. But I'm still missing those 2 pieces that I cut off. So I go back up here, and this one is 10 by 10, and to find the area of a square that's 10 by 10, I just multiply 10 times 10, which would give me 100. And again, it's centimeters squared. And the top would be exactly the same, so it would also be 100 centimeters squared. So I just need to add all of these numbers up, and I end up with a final answer for the surface area of this prism, this rectangular prism, to be 920 centimeters squared. Now the surface area means the cardboard, if you will, that it would take to make the box, what is wrapping around to make the box. So 920 centimeters squared. Well, let's see, what did I do? I took the length plus the width plus the length plus the width. That was when I added the 10 plus the 10 plus the 10 plus the 10 to give me the 40. And then I took all of that and I multiplied it times the height, which was what I did right here when I multiplied 40 times 18. And then I went back up here and I looked, well, I've missed this bottom face and the top face, and I get that by multiplying the length times the width, and I needed 2 of those, and then I just added that on. So let's see if we can do it without the picture this time. Okay, so if I have a box that's 2 inches by 4 inches by 7 inches, I'm going to say that my length is 2 inches, my width is 4 inches, and my height is 7 inches. So I need to take the length plus the width, plus the width plus the length plus the width, and then multiply it times height. And 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 is 12, times the height would give me 84. And then the other part that I needed was I needed the length times the width, 2 times 4, and I needed 2 of those. And I needed to add that on. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 4 again is 16, and I need to add that on to the 84, which gives me 100. This time it's inches squared. So the way to find surface area is to take the height and multiply it times the perimeter of the base, which is 2 L's plus 2 W's. And then I'm going to add that to length times width, and I need 2 of those. And that gives me the surface area of a rectangular prism.